Now we're back to exploring Generative Fill. This time I played around with trying to create a frame. I simply press Ctrl T, hold Alt when I resize this image, then I use the rectangular marquee tool, place it close to the edge. Then I invert it with the function down here, and then I use Generative Fill. A prompt actually makes a huge difference. For example, frame is a hit and miss. It gives you, if you're lucky, one good result per generation. But there are a couple of issues here. Another one I've tried was border. So colorful design, separated with a comma and a border. Once again, hit and miss, some work, some don't. When I used design border, in this case colorful, comma, paper, comma, design border, it didn't work at all, not a good result. The best one I found so far is picture frame or photo frame. Then you separate it with the style that you want, for example colorful or wooden, and then it actually comes close to what I want, and almost every iteration goes in the same direction. Here, for example, is a wooden frame. Results are still not perfect, obviously, but you can use it as a starting point, and it's quickly done. Hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.